this is Mindy McIntosh-Shetter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to Dining University, and today I'm going to show you how to care for hanging begonias. Now, you may never have considered about putting a begonia in a hanging basket, but it is a wonderful display of color. It's a great way of using the vertical space versus the horizontal space that a lot of people use. As far as the care, there's a couple of things that you need to consider. First off, you need to consider the leaf color. If the leaf is a bronze color, it's actually got its tan already, so it can survive out in bright sunlight. If it has green leaves, it doesn't have its tan yet, and it will need to be placed in the shade. Also, you will always need to remember to fertilize your plant. Now, if you're a forgetful gardener like I am, I always like to use a slow-release fertilizer, and that way I don't have to worry about fertilizing my plant for at least 6 to 8 weeks. When you're dealing with begonias, you need a 10-30-20 fertilization formula so that you get nice big blooms, and that's what you're looking for as far as a begonia. You also need to check the soil moisture. Now, when you have a plant in a hanging basket, hanging in a vertical space, they have a tendency of drying out more quickly. And a great way of testing to see whether you need to water the plant or not is by sticking your finger in the soil. Pull it straight up. If your finger comes out caked with soil, that means that there's enough moisture in the soil and you don't need to water the plant. If you pull your finger straight up and there's no soil on your finger, you will need to water at that point in time. So that's all there is as far as caring for begonias in hanging baskets. Give these a try next time you go to your nursery and you purchase this plant. So until we meet in the garden again, this has been Mindy McIntosh-Shetter from Mindar the Gardening Gnome and Dirt to Dining University.